friends, we were studied lot of mathematical model in our school days like probability, calculus, set, relation, function, graph theory, along with each model having lot of properties like properties 1, properties 2, like that properties n. But as usual question is why we are studied this type of mathematical model? Generally, human having a real time problem. If the real time problem is a simple, we can solve manually. If the real time problem is complex, then this mathematical model is come into the picture. But the problem or a challenging task is how to map the real time problem into one of the mathematical model. Once we have two mapping will be done, we can choose one of the properties and solve the problem efficiently. But here the challenging task is mapping from real-time problem into one of the mathematical model. Let's we consider one of the most famous problem which is called seven bridge of Konigsberg problem. The problem is I can visit or across all the bridge exactly once. This is the problem, but this problem is complex, so we can translate the real-time problem into one of the mathematical model which is called graph. Now we are checking the given graph is Euclidean graph or not. Why we are checking whether the given graph is Euclidean graph or not? If the given graph is Euclidean graph, if and only if I can visit all the edges exactly once. Therefore, we are checking the given graph is Euclidean graph or not. Then we can choose one of the beautiful properties for checking whether given graph is Euclidean or not. How to check the beautiful properties of the Euclidean graph? Euclidean graph is the first rule or property is it should be a connector. It should be connected, which means all the pair. We can consider any pair. The path will be exist for all u comma v. And second rule is integers is equal to out degree of v for all u comma v. The both conditions are satisfied, then the given graph is always Euclidean graph. If it is satisfied, which means I can visit all the bridge exactly once for a given graph. If it is not satisfied, our conclusion is there is no possibility to visit or cross all the bridges exactly once. Now we are checking the two rules. The first rule is connected. Yes, the first rule is satisfied because the given graph is always connected. Now we are checking the second rule is, which means the all degree in degree of u is equal to out degree of v. Now we are checking a vertex. Here the integrity is 3. Outer is 0. No. It is not possible. The condition is integral is equal to outer degree for all the vertices. But anyway, I can check all remaining vertices. Consider the C vertex. The integral is 3. Outer degree is 0. Consider T vertex. Integral is 3. Outer degree is 0. Consider P vertex. Integral is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Outer degree is 0. So every vertex not satisfied the second rule, which means the integral is equal to outer degree for all u comma v. Therefore, the conclusion is the given graph is not a Eulerian graph, which means I can never visit all the bridge exactly once. My dear friends, how I conclude this type of the problem very efficiently, which means the fraction of times I can conclude whether I can visit all the bridge exactly once or not. That is the beauty of the mathematical model and the properties. So mathematical model along with the properties, we can use human real type problem efficiently. That's why we have studied a lot of mathematical model. Consider, if you are choosing 10 poles out of 2 poles, you are choosing combinatorics as a mathematical model. Another is how to predicate the rain is fall on tomorrow. Then the probability model come into the pictures. How to solve system of linear equations. Then matrix model come into the picture. So all type of the model are very, very important to solve the real time problem efficiently. Thank you.